It's just you and me, Evie. Just you and me. Are you happy though? Yeah, you're happy. That's good. That's good. Anyways, guys, I have some awesome tips for you to make Pokemon Go look a lot better for your iPhones. So here we go. So first off, you're gonna go into settings, and then you're gonna go into accessibility. And when you're in the accessibility, you're gonna tap on the display and text size. And when you're here, you're gonna increase that contrast. And you can see on the screen, it's get a little bit more contrast. So, moving on, we have the filter effect. And you're gonna tap on the color filters option and press that you want to activate this. And this gonna change the color a little bit. And you have grayscale. We're not gonna do black and white though. Then we have red and green filter. We have green and red filter and blue and yellow. But we want that color tint though, because that is gonna bring out the most of the colors. And you can change this however you like. And then you go back and back again and back one more time. And then you go into display and brightness, and you can bump up the brightness a little bit, depends on how bright you want to have the screen. If you have True Tone in your iPhone, enable that, because that is going to be a huge impact on your phone, also in the color, and the game will look more has more clarity, and it will be looking much better, and you will enjoy looking at the map. Because if you not have these options and the settings that I'm just show you, and you will open up the Pokemon Go, the colors is just a little bit boring in my opinion. So this is the best setting that you can have on your iPhone. Night and shift, I have that on auto, and I have that in middle. You can go either less warm or more warm, but I tend to stick at the middle. And then we go back, and we can tap out of that and go back into Pokemon. And here we go. It looks a little bit different, as you can see. Has a little bit more color to it, and it pops a little bit more. You can change the clarity a little more in the settings. If you go back in settings, accessibility, then you go into display and drop down to color filters, and in sensitivity you bump it up a little bit, so you go to half, and that is going to bring out even more colors, and that is going to be looking a lot better. So either if you want to go in half or just about the half, that is going to be the great spot for you to have on your iPhone, and the best settings that you can have, and bring the best colors to Pokemon Go, so you can enjoy Pokemon Go with a lot more colors, and it's a lot vibrant also. So the Pokemon will pop, the map will pop, and everything, and will not look bad. It will just improve overall experience that you have on Pokemon Go. But anyways, guys, this is all I have for you. This is just some simple tips for you to use on your iPhone. I don't have any Android on me, but I have a lot of iPhones, and this is what I do with my iPhones. If you don't have True Tone, you can bump up the insensitivity to above half, and that is what I recommend. And then you can choose to have a little warmer tint to your iPhone. That is gonna bring out the most if you don't have the True Tone available at your phone. Anyways, guys, I will see you on my next video. Have an awesome day, have an awesome weekend, and don't forget, we are at the bug out event. Just catch those shinies. I just catch a shiny last night in the middle of midnight, and I made a video about that, and that was so amazing. And then I fall asleep at the desk though, but that is That is a whole nother story. And don't forget to check out my merch. I just dropped some new special things. You have a fanny pack in many colors. You have a bath towel that is looking so good. And then you have the hoodies that I love. I love the hoodies, man. And you also have the tea, and it's an eco-friendly tea and everything like that. So anyways, guys, check out my merch, and I will see you in my next one. Love, light, healing, energy. Bye bye. Hey,